Assalamu alaikum guys, how are you doing? Hey, okay, so guys, in this video today I'll be sharing with you a turban tutorial. Okay, so there is something that I wanted to say. Like, before I'm starting this video, I struggled. I don't want to lie, my aim was to share 3 turban styles, but I ended up sharing one because of what I have went through. Okay, okay, so my phone screen is broken and it has cracks on it. So once I'm trying to put it on a tripod, I have like a selfie stick, a mini selfie stick slash tripod. So once I'm trying to put it on there, it stopped recording. Okay, it is not recording at all. Like, once those clamps like are holding it tight, like, it stopped recording. So I had to find a way of how I will record without putting it on a tripod. So as you can see, now I am putting it on my daughter's chair. Okay, on top of my daughter's chair now, so that I can be able to record. So the way my energy was finished, I was even like, okay, you know what, let me just share at least one style. It will be, yeah, maybe it will make me feel better because I wanted to share. Thank you for watching, guys. So this is the one of the styles that I wanted to share with you, and it is so nice and very easy. I hope that you enjoyed the video, and thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Bye.